Successful building projects involve input from a variety of stakeholders. Throughout the design process, your architect should engage different user groups and learn about their needs. In this video, we will discuss times when you should include your facilities staff in the design process. I'm Dave Zarodnik, Vice President here at New & Munson Architects. One of the most important user groups to engage in the design process is the facilities staff, those who operate and maintain the building. They're a vital voice in the design discussions, especially when it comes to functionality and usability. We value their input and find their perspectives help us align design decisions with practical building operations. In this video, we'll discuss 3 times to include your facility staff into the design process. Facility staff can help with discussions about usability and building operations. When discussing functionality, it's easy to think about occupants like employees and students while forgetting about maintenance. Timely input from your facility staff can help your design team create a logical and accessible plan for pathways, piping, ductwork, and valves, while making sure the equipment layout provides sufficient clearance space to service it. Like other user groups, input from the facility staff is most impactful at the beginning of the process. In pre-design and schematic design, plans are malleable and change is easy. As you progress through the architectural process, plans become more concrete and it's more difficult and expensive to make changes. Facility staff have experience with building systems, equipment, technology, and finishes. They operate and maintain electrical, HVAC, and lighting systems daily, providing an on-the-ground perspective. When choosing systems and technology, their voice is vital. After all, they will interact with these systems more often than any other user group. Their perspective is especially important in sustainability discussions. Sustainable design can fall short if the building is not operated and maintained as intended. Facility staff should understand the sustainability goals and know how to operate any systems that impact performance. Along with systems and technology, they should also join material selection discussions. They will clean and replace materials like flooring and finishes, so consider how your selections will impact their job. A limited palette of durable materials usually makes cleaning and maintenance more straightforward. Facility staff are an active part of transition from construction to occupying the completed space. As construction ends, they should work with the contractor and architect to get information and training they need to operate the building. The contractor should supply facility staff with operations manuals and product warranties. They should also teach them how to operate the equipment like mechanical and electrical systems. We recommend filming these training sessions for future hires. During this transitional period, the facility staff can help your architect notice unique operating conditions that may need extra explanation. Regular communication with your architect can help your facility staff understand the building before move-in day, creating a smoother transition for you and your team. After construction, your facility staff should feel comfortable contacting your architect and other members of the design team to ask questions. Facility staff are one of the most important user groups to include in the design process. They operate and maintain the building and should have a voice in the conversations about functionality, technology, and materials. As construction ends, they will work closely with your contractor and architect to ensure smooth transition into occupancy. Your architect is available to answer questions and address problems as you settle into your new space. On many projects, your architect will check in with a post-occupancy evaluation to make sure the facility is operating as intended. Learn more by clicking the link below about post-occupancy evaluations and how they benefit your team. Thanks for watching.